we have to understand, and what we see now really stresses on this point, that the Ummah is in need of the entire Ummah. The Ummah cannot get victory by a particular group, or through a particular group, or through a particular domination. The entire Ummah is in a bad situation. Who can revive the entire Ummah? The entire Ummah. Maybe there might be some people who will lead, definitely, this is natural. Those who will lead, if they are alone, the Ummah will not wake up. The Ummah cannot be reformed. So the Ummah is in need of what? Of the entire Ummah. Even in terms of practicing the deen. We have seen in the protests so many people who are not practicing. Not only that, okay, forget about the demonstrations. In many countries, in France, in Turkey, in number of other countries, there are lawyers. There are groups of lawyers who are taking the occupation to the court of war crimes. They are not bearded people, they are not Salafi people, they are not Sufi people, they are not people, maybe some of them, they might pray, they might not pray.